Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. So you're looking at page 39 of Standard of Excellence, Book 1. These are the accelerators. These are just some different exercises to keep you going and kind of reinforce what you've already learned. Moving on to 4B, all tongued. So 4A and 4B are tied whole notes. For 4A, for 4B, there are whole notes. And for 12A and 12B, we are dealing with half notes with a whole note at the end. And 23A and B, you're dealing with quarter notes, mostly, with a couple half notes at the ends of the phrases. All right, and for 54, the parts A, B, C, D, E, and F, and for 54A and B, we are just using our air and embouchure to change our notes as we do those slurs to get the nice smooth. And for C, D, E, and F, we are using to do. Are those slurs. So here's we go, 54, part A. Each one will be played twice because of the repeat sign, but I'm going to go straight through from A to F like it's one exercise. Thanks for watching. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.